Our direct message feature works just like email, but it's made just for your textile recycling business. Now, you can send and get messages right on FTR Plus. And the best part is, you don't need to know the recycler's email address to send them a message. Here's how it works. Just go over the mailbox and then click on your unit box and then new message. Select a recycler that you have in your favorites. Let's use the Salvation Army. Let's enter a subject. And let's enter a message. And now, let's hit send message. And just like that, we have sent our message to the Salvation Army. Thanks for watching.